this is the magnetic fast charger. Let's open it. So there we go. You get a manual right here and the charger with the cable. You have USB-C right here, and as you can see, it looks really good. It has a foil. It has a foil here on the back. Let's take it out. So as you can see, it's nice. It's small. The cable is quite long, so you will have quite a lot of room to turn it around when you want to charge it and play. As you can see, it's good here, and there we go. It's connected already, and my phone also has this that can turn around with the case. But let's plug it in, and there we are. It's charging. Let's actually take the case off as well, and there we are. So you can see how it connects here, and you can also see there's a light here to indicate this. As you can see, it connects quite easily, and let's put the case back in. So this charger is also compatible with the AirPods Pro 2 and Pro 3. With this MagSafe charging, and it's strong. It can connect in any direction, seamless magnetic connection. Yeah, so you can easily use your phone when you want to charge it as well. You can turn it around as well. You can connect it anyway right here, and it will charge.